Want to automate WhatsApp and Telegram messages using Pabbly? Here's how to do it in just a few steps. With Jetapi, start by creating a new workflow in Pabbly Connect. You can use any trigger, like a Google Sheet update or an incoming webhook. Next, log into your Jetapi dashboard and connect your messaging channels. For WhatsApp, scan the QR code and wait for your chats to sync. Don't close the app while syncing. For Telegram, use the By Phone Number tab. Enter your number and enter the code you receive. Add your password if you use two-factor authentication. Now return to Pabbly and add a Jetapi action. Choose the messaging platform you want, WhatsApp or Telegram. Fill in the message details. For Telegram, you can use the phone number, a Telegram username, or a TDLIB user ID. For WhatsApp, you'll need the phone number and the text. Go to Settings Greater Than API/Access and copy the bearer token. Click on it to copy to clipboard. Enter your connection name and paste the bearer token from your jetapi.io account and click Save. You can also include dynamic values from your trigger, like the customer name or order info. Send a test to make sure everything works. The message will appear instantly. Then enable the workflow and you're live. Try Jetapi free at jetapi.io. Works with WhatsApp, Telegram, and more, directly inside Pabbly